Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to see how to install the Snap Store in Debian. So many of the users have got accustomed to the Snap applications and they might want to install the Snap applications in Debian. So Debian is the upstream for Ubuntu, but still it is possible to install the snaps in Debian. So how to do that I will show you today. So first you have to update your system using sudo apt update. You can see here. After the update is complete, you have to install the snap daemon or the snapd package. So the snapd contains the actual snap application as well as the tools required to run the snap store on your system. So you have to use the command sudo apt install snapd, and along with that following application packages, extra packages are getting installed. So that is the Linux compiler gcc, linux headers. So I have done this actual installation on some older build of the Debian. So this was recorded a few years back. I think it was Debian Buster. Therefore, you can see the Linux kernel is older, but this method works always. In any version of Debian, this will work. Once these extra packages are installed, you can see here. So what it will do is it will add the repository snap. You can see here from the Debian bullseye, it is picking up the snapd application package. So that will be 64-bit application package snapd, and then it will start installing. Then it will create the system links also. Once everything is complete, you have to install the sudo snap install core. So this is the snap core. If you remember, in Ubuntu frequently there are updates to the snapd snap core. So snap core contains the, you can see, critical components for the snap application. So you have to install that, and then automatically the snapd or the snap store will stop. It will update the core and then it will restart. So after doing this, you have to reboot your system. So after rebooting the system, you can install any snap application using the command sudo snap install. Then you can say, for example, if you want to install, say, the LibreOffice, so you have to use the command sudo snap install LibreOffice. So that will install the LibreOffice suite. That is the snap version of the LibreOffice suite on your system. And if you want to install the native Debian package, you have to use sudo apt install LibreOffice. So this is the differentiation between the two. You can see here the core from the canonical repository will be installed. You can see it here. So that's it. After you do this, restart your system and then start installing the snap applications using the command sudo apt, not sudo apt, sudo snap install, then the application name. That's it. It's very easy. So I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more features of Linux. Bye bye.